Imagine this: a massive force, unlike anything we've ever experienced, hurtling toward our planet, another world, and it's on a direct collision course with Earth. What would happen if Earth collided with another planet? Would life as we know it cease to exist? Or could it survive the ultimate cosmic crash? Join us as we explore the thrilling and terrifying possibility of planetary collision. The first thing to understand about a planetary collision is the sheer scale. Planets are massive, and the energy released in a collision would be unimaginable. Earth, with a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers, is dwarfed by giants like Jupiter, with a diameter of 139,820 kilometers. If Earth collided with a planet even close to the size of Jupiter, the impact would release more energy than humanity could ever comprehend. But even smaller planets would cause devastation, as any collision, no matter the size, would be catastrophic. Imagine two worlds smashing together at speeds of tens of kilometers per second. The result would be a shockwave felt across the entire planet, not just on the surface, but deep within. The immediate effects would be apocalyptic. The sheer force of the collision would generate heat enough to vaporize vast sections of Earth's surface. Entire cities, forests, oceans, gone in an instant. The planet's crust would crack open, releasing molten rock into the atmosphere, creating firestorms that would rage uncontrollably. The collision would throw massive amounts of debris into space, some of which could re-enter the atmosphere, raining down fiery meteorites on the remaining surface. The shockwave would travel around the globe, flattening everything in its path. The air itself would be superheated, and the planet would be cloaked in a thick layer of smoke and dust, blocking out the sun. But the destruction wouldn't stop there. Earth's atmosphere would be severely altered. With so much dust and debris in the air, sunlight would be blocked, plunging the planet into a deep, prolonged winter. Temperatures would drop drastically, causing a nuclear winter effect. Without the sun's warmth, the surface of Earth could freeze, making it inhospitable for life as we know it. For years, possibly decades, Earth would be enveloped in darkness and cold. Agriculture would collapse, ecosystems would collapse, and the oxygen levels in the atmosphere would plummet as plant life perished. Survival would become a struggle for whatever life remained. Now, you might be wondering, could life survive? After such an impact, only the hardiest forms of life, if any, could survive. Bacteria and microorganisms, deep underground or in the oceans, might have a chance to endure the environmental devastation. But for most higher life forms, the chances of survival would be slim. Even if some life did survive, the Earth's ecosystems would take millions of years to recover, if they ever did. The once thriving planet would become a place where life as we know it could barely hold on, and the landscape would be forever scarred. But Earth isn't the only planet at risk. In our solar system, planets like Venus, Mars, or even the moons of Jupiter could theoretically be on a collision course, though such events are extremely rare. What if Earth collided with a rogue planet or a moon from another star system? If a rogue planet, one that wasn't bound by our sun's gravity, entered our solar system, it could disrupt the orbits of planets, sending Earth into a chaotic spin. The outcome would be uncertain, but the likelihood of a collision, while extremely unlikely, is not entirely impossible. Could humanity ever prevent such an event? The truth is, we're not yet equipped to stop a planetary collision. The vastness of space is a realm we've only begun to explore, but scientists are actively studying asteroids and comets, which are smaller, but still pose a threat to our planet. In the future, it may be possible to develop technology capable of altering the course of an asteroid or rogue planet, but right now, all we can do is prepare for the unlikely possibility of a cosmic event that could change the course of life on Earth. While the idea of Earth colliding with another planet is a terrifying thought, it's a scenario we hope never to see. The universe is a vast and unpredictable place, but for now, Earth remains our home. The best we can do is cherish this fragile planet and continue to study the cosmos, understanding that the forces of nature are far beyond. After all, the universe, for all its wonder, can be just as destructive as it is beautiful.